say your name. Hello.
Hey, Lee from Ox and Bora.
Woo!
Welcome down.
Any new products?
Hey, we got the replaceable tip chisels. So new to the market, complete innovation. So you can replace the tips if you damage your chisel. You get 3 tips with every set, available in 25 and 19 mil.
Amazing. This is them. Very cool. And then can you show me how to do the good old Bora? This is my favorite. All right, let's do it.
Right, so packing up, it's easy. Just got a lever. And then for setup, done.
So quick, so easy. These fly out the window, the door, I mean. They fly out the door. And then these ones I love as well, the centipedes. Show me the centipedes, Lee.
All right. So pack up nice and small.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you get to site or in the workshop, you need an extra table. You just throw them out, put your timber on top, your board. You can use the MDF 20 mil dog boards, but yeah, use them for all sorts.
Yeah. Throw your own board on there. Buy the Bora boards, get the whole set. Comes as like a bundle, doesn't it?
It does, you get a little backpack.
Yeah. The backpack.
Sorry.
That's okay. So the bundle, if you want to buy a bundle of the centipede, guys, what do you get?
So you get the centipede,
Yeah.
get the bag, carry bag,
Yeah.
you get some of the X cups and friction clamps, and then you can buy the dog boards
Separate.
separate.
Yeah,
Yep.
amazing. Love it. Thank you, Lee.
It's alright, have a good day.